Is one.
Right? Hi, Kathy here from Kathyskutekreations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we are coming to do the giveaway. That's what today is all about, the giveaway. We have 50 names. Here is a list of 50 people. So now we're going to do our number, what's it called? A random generator, random something.
Oh, now you ask me. It's not... hang on a second. I'm going to clear it and find it again.
Okay.
Yes, it's called the number generator.
Okay, number generator.
And it looks like that. And I put a minimum number and a maximum number. We have 50.
Right. We have 50 different people.
1 to 50.
Yep. And so while we're waiting on that, I want to let you know that now,
and then it's right there, 1 to 50.
Okay, so everybody knows all the problems I've been having with my phone and trying to get it uploaded. And we lost a lot of video this last time for, what were we showing? I already forgotten what we were showing.
The
bash box. Okay. That's what it was. The birthday bash. I couldn't think of it. But anyway, because it ended up being 30 some odd minutes and it literally timed itself out. After 24 hours, it tried to upload. So I don't know if it's the internet. It couldn't be my phone because my phone is newer. It's a 13, I believe. So that wouldn't be slow, but it's like the internet slow. So I don't know if we've just got so many people in the neighborhood that are on the internet or on the same one I'm on, I guess, which is Verizon.
So you don't have a shared internet. It's just the Verizon.
It's the Verizon.
Itself.
So anyway, so it looks like 15 minutes is my max. So when it comes to doing this new one, which is coming, I don't know when it's coming out, but whenever they announce it, that we're going to have it. I think it's 4 weeks. 4 weeks long, 5 weeks. That doesn't make any difference. The point is, I'm going to have to keep them at about 15 minutes. So everybody knows that the first one is usually all the cutting and a block, or all the cutting. I can't get that done in 15 minutes. I'm going to tell you right now. So if it is cutting and a block, because it's not normally one block, well, unless it's a big block. Otherwise, it's anywhere between 4 and 8. And it runs me 30 minutes or more. So if I have to do it in 2 parts, then I'll do it in 2 parts. Now, I'll try to do it in 1. But if it doesn't upload, then it has to go into 2. But that's all going to have to do with when I get my kit. If my kit doesn't arrive until Saturday, my mail could come anywhere as late as 7 o'clock at night, which means I won't have that many hours to get the whole thing done, which would mean I'm going to end up spending Saturday doing it, which would mean I have to have it shorter, or else I'll never get it up by Monday if it comes like that late. Now, if I get a whole 2 weekends, then it's fine. And I'll try to get it done on the 1 weekend and get it uploaded. Otherwise, like I said, I've got to split it into 15. I'll put part 1, part 2 on it, that kind of thing. I'm sorry I got to do it, but I don't know any other way to not do it that way. Because it's not like it's my computer that's affected. It's my actual internet. So short of changing my internet, and I wouldn't know what other internet to get, I have no idea. So.
There are so many.
Well, I hate to stop midstream and do it. Anyway, so let's find out who is our lucky winner.
Okay. And you're at 3 minutes, 45 seconds. So, we're trying to make the 15-minute mark here. All right.
If I had
have the stopwatch.
If I had added this all on a spreadsheet, I could have put all this in alphabetical order. I didn't think about it till just now, so forget that idea. I don't think I even have a spreadsheet on my computer. Anyway, let's see.
You do. It's called Excel.
But I'm not sure I have it. I don't have it on my computer. Computer's too old. I don't think it has Excel.
Well, then you make it. You
make
the little boxes and everything.
Mm-hmm.
The thing
like
is, you have
I
to
got
manually
all the time
put
in the world.
Yeah, well, don't look at me. 6 days a week and oh gosh.
Okay, we ready? Let's do a drum roll.
All right. So
I gotta keep that up to you.
I was gonna ask, should I show them and then randomize it?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I can't do 2 things at once.
Terrible drum roller. Oh my goodness.
Okay, where's the bucket with the
the bucket? Okay, so it's number 43.
43 is Lorraine Is it
Lesotho?
Lesotho. So it is Miss Lorraine. Let me put my finger on it for Miss Lorraine. Right there. So send me your email. Well, you'll have that because you're going to send it me to email, but your address and phone number in case I need to call you.
Or text.
Or text, whatever. But email it to me. kathyskutekreations@gmail.com, and I will put it at the bottom of this video that we're doing right now. Anything else you want to say?
Congratulations.
Yep, congratulations.
And what did she win?
She won the Fort Worth Fabric Studio kit. That's what she won. Whatever it is, I don't know. But I'll get your name and everything on an envelope, and then when that comes in the mail, I'll slip this right in the mail so you can get it immediately. Okay?
And
how's that sound?
How long does she have to let you know who she is and her address and all
By
that?
tomorrow night.
To us today.
Today's Sunday. So let me know by tomorrow evening, because if I get off work and she hasn't responded, you can come back over and we'll do this again.
So it'll be Monday night, January 8th. At what time?
Well,
by 8 o'clock.
Is that what time you're going to come over?
24 hours. Well, I mean, I get off at 6, so, you know.
All right, by 7 o'clock. Then if she hasn't responded by 7 o'clock tomorrow night, I'll text you and you can come straight from work and we'll do this again. Okay?
Well, you can text me and let me know that she did get it too.
Okay,
you know.
I will.
Okay.
All right. All right. Congratulations again.
Congrats. Yay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching and welcome all my new subscribers.